Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Jabra Elite 75T truly wireless earbuds. These are not the Elite Active 75T, which have additional water resistance. These are the regular Elite 75Ts, and these are the titanium black colored devices. And you can see that they have up to 28 hours total charge and 4 microphones, and they have an additional active noise cancellation feature which was added later on in the device lifespan through a software update. And it looks like it comes with the charging case and the earbuds and 3 different sizes of ear tips. And we can see on the back there is 7.5 hours in the devices themselves and 28 hours with the additional capacity of the charging case. And that's pretty much it. So let's get this open and see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, so we got the inner packaging out and it's really nice. It kind of looks like a book type package that you just slide this inner box out and you can see the earbuds right on top, and there they are. And we've got some instructions here to get the Jabra Sound Plus app to do the setup, and recommendation to register the earbuds so you're covered by the warranty. So there you go. On the inside there's some instructions on how to put the earbuds in the charging case and some other information. And here we go. On the inside we have the charging case. Very nice. It goes into USB-C on the back. And in here we have a short USB-C to USB Type-A cable, as well as some packaging for the spare ear tips, and then some warranty information in the box. Alright, we took the earbuds out and the charging case out and slid them in. There's some really nice inside material in there. It's kind of feels like a rubber coated interior, so really smooth, really professional looking. And the earbuds themselves are very small. Definitely looks like it's the medium sized tips that come pre-installed, so you've got some large tips and some small tips in there to switch to if you don't like the size of the medium tips. But yeah, really small, really comfortable looking, so I'm excited to try these out. And when you slide them into the case, you see a light blink and they're charging. There you go. So that's all for now. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and please post any questions or comments you have in the comments section below. And stay tuned for a full review video once I've had a chance to use these a little bit. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.